Hello everybody. How are y'all? Okay, so this live is with my twin. We're waiting for her to come. Most awaited, it seems. A lot of people have requested me this, and um yeah. Hello. Oh, I thought it's enough. Questions already? They'll just start again. I really don't know. I don't know if GD will start again. I have no idea. Let me try some filter. What filter do I try? Next year shape down. My favorite, all-time favorite. So how's the quarantine going on? Morum. Morum Mo. Okay. Sana, she's coming. Samira. I'm good, I'm good. So we are waiting for Sana right now. अब स्टार्टर्स के हेड से बात करो कि एक बार स्टार्ट करें. आप बात कर लो. मैं कैसे बात कर सकती हूँ? I don't take decisions, nor do they work as per my wishes. So I'm just an actor, guys. So how's quarantine treating you people? क्या कर रहे हो आप लोग? Give me good suggestions. I've been making videos. I have been doing the normal cleaning, meaning I don't need to post videos of that because everybody's doing the same thing. And it is nothing new for me. I've always done it all my life. Huh. Kitchen mein ghusi, that's a separate thing. I made meals and stuff and it turned out to be really nice. But suggest me something interesting, guys. और 15 और कितना दिन है आपके पास? और 10 दिन मेरी easily है. So maybe I could use it. Today I'm not even well, so I took a break from everything. But since we had decided that me and Sana will come live, so watching movies on Amazon Prime. Okay. Quarantine is going pretty fruitful for me. Teach Sana some Bengali. Okay. Love you too, guys. Hey, what made you join industry? What made me join? It didn't make me join. It's just I was studying law and I started getting a lot of modeling offers because I used to do fashion shows. My first fashion show was with Hemant Trivedi. He coaches the Miss Indias and everyone who participate in the pageant internationally and nationally. So my pics got circulated over there and people started asking me and go live with some people started asking me and then yeah, I'm waiting. So not hello. What's up?
Hello. What's
Finally,
up?
you look so fresh and nice.
Yes, मेरा अभी good morning हुआ है.
मैं सुबह 5 बजे से उठी हूँ and I've just been lying down, waking up. I'm not
I
kind of well
slept at
today.
6:30 a.m.
GOT. Which
Yes.
season are you on?
I finished seventh season. Now I'm on eighth season. Finally.
Oh my God, I had
Entire
left
so I
GOT.
started watching GOT on what, like 3rd or 4th April?
हाँ.
Yeah.
और उसके बाद अभी I left in the middle and then I never joined back. In fact, पूरा दिन the kind of things I'm doing now, I never got the chance to watch TV and my internet is pretty bad. So how's
Yeah.
quarantine treating you?
Oh my God. It has, taught me a lot of things. I think this is
Like,
how we spend our lives. Like before I
yeah.
joined college, my entire school life was like this. Plus tuitions. Like I used to go to the school tuitions and I used to just stay home and I used to enjoy staying at home. And I think now we're back to square one.
Yeah.
And yeah, I'm
But you know
actually
what?
liking it.
That's exactly what I was gonna say. I'm getting used to it. अब इतना ना यूज टू हो जाए कि बाहर जाने में आलस आ जाए, you know.
Ah,
you
yeah,
i've
but
already made my I've already
I
made
miss
that
meeting my
comfortable.
friends. I miss
हाँ.
meeting you, everybody. But उसके अलावा तो I'm liking this quarantine scene. Yeah, it's nice. I am good. Thank you.
You know what, मैं
I got
live
it.
आई नहीं कि and सब लोग पूछने लगे सना का I'm like, guys, she's coming, relax.
Hi,
every
Kushali. Thank you.
I swear, every interview I've given, and people are like, dude, you guys have to come along. I'm like, yes, we planned, but it just never worked out because of the timings or whatever. How is
Yeah, because
everybody at home?
gen what?
नहीं नहीं बोल.
Because generally I wake up at 3:30, 4 p.m. and then
हाँ.
I start my day when the day is over. And then my timetable is just horrible right
Just
now.
haywire. My
Yeah.
mom forces me to go to bed by 12. वो अलग बात है 4 बजे सोती हूँ. But I still try and wake up a little early because she's like,
Yeah.
एक बार lockdown खत्म हो जाएगा तो you will not be able to get back to your
Yeah.
schedule.
I know.
You know what? Show some of your paintings. You have them handy?
Yeah.
Show now.
Let it be, yaar.
I have
Okay.
told them that you really sketch very well, and I've seen couple of your things. So I
Okay.
wanted them to,
Achha.
yeah. It's really cute and very nicely like a
I
delicate.
like,
Hang हो रही है.
so this is my book.
It's so
Can you see me now?
cute. Yeah, I can. Show. Oh my God. Oh my
These are my
God.
veils
You have
and
to
these are my
frame
ties.
these. You have to
Yes, of course, I
frame
am
these
going to frame it and put it up in my room.
in your, yeah, you have to.
And this is my favoriteest. I put a lot of
Beauty.
thought behind it, thinking about the color palette.
Beauty. So you
Thank
have talent
you.
on camera and behind camera also.
Yes.
So
I
bata kya.
actually wish I had more colors, yeah. I only have sketch pens right now. But I'm glad
Huh.
I at least have them. I can do
No, but
something.
that's beautiful. I mean, both the drawings you made, it was like beauty.
No, it's
I
already
had some,
drawn, so the book is like this. Like the
huh?
drawing and the sketching is already there. You just have to fill in colors.
Dude, the shell
I
wala is gonna
also
look
know how to paint.
awesome.
Yeah, there are a lot of things that you can also take to color. There are
कब
mermaids.
दिखाएगी? कब दिखाएगी?
I got this 2, 3 years back. I went to this place where they sell everything related to painting and all artwork basically. So I
हाँ.
got this book and sketch pen and I never really used it.
हाँ.
And a few days back when I was cleaning my room, I got the book and then I thought, this is a good time pass for quarantine. Yeah?
Actually. So what's your quarantine schedule been?
My schedule is when the quarantine started, I used to get up at 10:30 or 9:30 and then do the entire ghar ka kaam, freshen up, do your lunch, sleep for a bit, get up, watch Netflix, then sleep for a bit, get up, watch Netflix, and then the same thing the next day.
Wow.
But now, ever since I've started watching GOT, it has, like made me hooked. I am like hooked on to GOT. So I'm just watching GOT. I get up at 4 p.m., 3 p.m. and I watch GOT entire day, entire night, and then I sleep at 5:30, 6 o'clock, and that's what I'm doing.
It's by far the best screenplay. Best.
Yes,
The
I really
way
like it.
they dwell
The
with all the
story, yeah,
family.
yeah.
It is kick-ass. It's really good. I need to start watching again, but then my internet is like the. कुछ cooking try की तूने?
नहीं यार. I really, I mean, I don't enjoy kitchen duties. Like I don't enjoy cooking. I like
Same.
cleaning the house. I like decorating things. I like painting things, but I don't like cooking. It's not therapeutic for me. I mean, it doesn't work for me. Whenever I stand to cook, I feel like my blood pressure is going low. It's true.
Guys,
I'm not,
do you
I cannot
understand
stand
why
at
she
one.
my do you understand why she my twin? Whenever I say you
Yeah,
are not saying
I don't enjoy cooking.
just to
I
see.
like to eat and
Yeah.
admire the cooking.
You know what? We have to go on a foodie trip
Date.
once this quarantine.
Yeah.
Yeah, completely.
Yes.
Like
Come on.
select the places we could have
You're hanging a
actually.
bit, Naira.
One sec. Abhi?
Ha, great.
Any bet?
I can see you
हाँ
now.
सा, you know what? हमारा second career option could have been food blogging also.
Yeah, I always dreamt of working, like, working as a host at TLC. You know, these people who travel across the globe and they eat all sorts of food.
Yeah. And
I
their
wanted to be one
vlogs.
of them. But yeah, but you know, ever since this global pandemic, I don't think I want to try new things.
Not anymore. You know what? Yesterday I read a news where it says that this virus can stay for another 2 years, 2 to 3 years. So social distancing has to be maintained for another 2 3 years.
I don't think that is, I mean, I cannot believe it. Yeah, I only believe what I see and what I hear. And I don't know where are these articles coming from. It just scares me. So I've like just completely stopped watching all of this nonsense.
It's depressing as
I
well,
just
you know.
pray for, yeah, I just pray that, nobody gets it, man. Not even people who hate me. I don't wish this for them. God save everyone, everybody's families.
Okay, I got some questions over here. Let's check it out.
Okay.
Uh, uh, what are you watching on Netflix, Sanadi? Oh, she just said GOT. One second.
I am watching GOT, but the next thing that I'm going to watch on Netflix is Ozark. And there's this movie called Cam on Netflix. It's a nice cybercrime thriller movie. Nice. So
So
Ozark
after
and crime.
Ozark and crime. Okay.
Cam.
Okay, there is Cam. Okay.
Yeah.
There is a request after quarantine is
Hmm.
over, make a YouTube or TikTok video with Sana.
Oh my God, I have never made a TikTok video. I'm so bad with all this. Like even Naira knows. I'm very shy in front of a steady camera. I cannot click pictures. I feel very shy. This is one of the major, like if you open my photo gallery, you'll get everybody's pictures. Like I have Naira's solo pictures, I have Advik's solo pictures, I have everybody's solo pictures, I have candids of so many people who don't even know I was clicking them, but I don't have my picture. Unless somebody like, makes an effort to click a picture. Like Advik, I remember Advik used to like really force me, go click a picture, click a picture, click a picture. Only because of Advik, I have, I think, few pictures and because of Naira.
You know something? I I I joined TikTok. Can you believe it?
Nice. TikTok is fun. I heard.
I've always been the one who was been very distant from it, but then I was like, it's actually fun, dude. Time pass ke liye it's cool.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go
Yeah,
to
maybe
next.
when we meet.
Yeah, we could make something.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, somebody wants me to Arshia what do you want to say in Bengali?
Sorry?
Somebody wants me to teach you Bengali. So, do you
Teach me
wanna
Bengali. Ki
what would you
khabar?
She already knows half the Bengali. She learned it from me on the set.
Touch kari?
কি হচ্ছে কি হচ্ছে
Ki hoche?
আজকাল বাবু কি
Ki
হচ্ছে কি
hoche? Ram
চলছে
Chhagur?
that was the best. I
Hey, Ram
recently
Chhagur.
I recently put up a story. Bengali's favorite word, Ram Sagol. Did you see it?
Ram Chhagur. I
Ram
saw your
Chagal.
story, but that was the word you like said. Like I always thought Ram Chagal is some Rali.
That's a goat. But then लोग ऐसे ही उसको यूज करते थे. Okay, let's see our next question. We want to
Where
see
do you
all the
get
details.
question?
Okay, wait. Can you see comment के बाजू में question mark लिखा हुआ है?
I can't see.
जो comment section है ना, उसके बाजू में देख, एक arrow है, एक smiley है, एक
हाँ हाँ नहीं तो फिर आई थिंक क्वेश्चन मार्क आपको आया होगा बिकॉज यू वेंट लाइव फर्स्ट नो आई एम नॉट गेटिंग द
Ooh. Okay, let's see over here. So,
हाय
how
रोजाइना फ्रॉम इजिप्ट
from Egypt? So, have you made any new friends online or something?
नो आई डोंट मेक न्यू फ्रेंड्स अगेन
And what new have you done apart from drawing and painting?
I have started replying to the messages on WhatsApp. That's something new. I have started doing jhadu pocha. That is something new. I have started washing everybody's clothes. That is something new. Yeah.
And you know what? I've become the reverse. I have stopped checking WhatsApp messages, and I've also stopped checking Insta DMs, which I used to promptly always see, watch, and stuff.
Yeah.
I don't know. I've just lost interest on.
You know, it's like we have all the time in the world, but but you always have something to do when you have all the
Yeah,
time also. Like right now, I'm
yeah,
busy watching GOT, and I think once you're hooked on to something, it's difficult to like concentrate on other things.
yeah.
And I know they, yeah, because and I think we all know that friends who want to call would call. They won't message. Like my friends don't know me by now. So
Yeah, even my friends, they're like, they will put up things on the group and they're like, Nah, did you read? Okay, she must have read 1 week ago, or she'll week after a week. They don't trust me on this at all that I read the messages or register even after I read it. Let's check some
hi,
comments.
Dinahi. कब आएंगे दिव्य दृष्टि 2 हमें भी नहीं पता
Sana, your biggest fan, Mr. Moment, is over here.
Mr. Moment
Yeah,
I can't see but hi
that's Nimish. That's
Nimish
Nimish.
Nimish
Yeah,
तुझे मारूंगी okay
I think
what
he has been non-stop asking me about you. I'm like, dude, वो live आ रही है, पूछ ले उससे directly. Or message her if you want
hi
to.
Nimish कैसा है तू
Ajak, Merzad is also
हंस
online.
मेरे
Advik is also, no, Advik is not online. Merzad is online.
Advik Mehzad
Advik Mahajan, हाँ, Merzad is here.
how are you Mehzad
What are they doing?
Advik Mahajan is here
नहीं नहीं नहीं,
अच्छा
उसका fan page था. Advik is not here. Or maybe he's here, I couldn't
hi
figure.
Dharitri
Hey Dharitri, how are you? You know what? She writes so
yeah
well. She writes so well.
Dharitri
Brilliant. Really good.
even Ria and Minnie write very well.
Yeah, yeah.
They
But I
have really good sense. Poetic, very poetic.
very poetic. But I've often seen Dharitri's modes because I think it just pops on my comments, and the way she portrays her feelings for us is like it just makes me
It's
feel
really nice.
so good instantly. Do you watch your own show? Somebody asked. Cute Star asked. Do you watch
Yes, of
Divya
course.
Drishti?
हमने देख लिया दिव्य दृष्टि.
हमने एडिट्स पे ही देख लिया है दिव्या दृष्टि.
Yeah.
मैंने तो मोस्टली एडिट्स
हमसे
पे ही
ज्यादा
देखा है.
दिव्य दृष्टि किसी ने नहीं देखा होगा.
किसी ने जिया नहीं होगा जितना हमने जिया
Yeah.
है.
Any show
Yeah.
with Adhik Sana? Is that a question?
Yeah.
Not, nothing as of now.
Okay.
What
Now,
will you do after quarantine? I think I'll probably go to my grandparents' house. first.
I think first I'll shave this, shave Bordio. I'll get my. No, you know what? Do you think I should grow it?
Yeah.
I've always kept thin eyebrows, but what
Grow
do you
it.
say?
Grow it.
You know, you're looking very nice, by the way.
Thank you. No, my eyebrows are also grown completely. See?
But yours, though, it always looks nice. I always liked your eyebrows. मेरे बहुत पतले थे.
Thank
अभी
you.
अभी थोड़ा it's growing
But
up.
suit करता है तो इस पर. It looks nice.
है ना?
You
Thicker
look
is
good
looking
with thin
nice.
eyebrows. Thicker
Yeah.
will also look nice. Yeah, you look nice with everything.
Yeah. This is like my
Yeah.
longest. I miss going to the set sometimes.
You
And
miss?
I miss going to the set sometimes and our silly
I
jokes.
miss my makeup room. Yeah, mine and Naira's makeup room was आजू बाजू में. And we used to like spend good
Listen to
time.
the songs. यहाँ से गाना बजाते थे और अपने रूम से नाचते थे. Yo, louder! I can hear that. Get it louder. So who have you been in touch with most from our team, from our DD team? Advik, of course, and who else?
You बस यही
Parul?
समझ ले. पारुल और करण से भी बात होती है मेरी. पारुल, करण, you, अद्वैत, कुशाग्र.
Yeah. मेरे से वो कभी
बस.
कभी अद्विक से होती है. पारुल से ऑलमोस्ट ऑल्टरनेट डेज अपने इसमें इंस्टा पे हो जाती है. रिद्धिमा ऑल्सो टू सम एक्सटेंट. बाकी आई डोंट नो. नेहा समटाइम्स. वही जब अद्विक से होती है. एंड यू ऑल्सो समटाइम्स. और बता हाउस लाइफ.
Seriously.
Otherwise,
Life is great
what plans
after
after
quarantine.
quarantine?
I really wanted to travel. I wanted to go to Himachal and Ladakh. So I think I'll just run to Ladakh or Himachal. Naira, I can't like see
I
you.
wanted to go to Maldives. I might go to Goa. Let's see. Just to chill, rejuvenate, and anyways, my Goa trip was pending
Goa.
this year.
You know, I've never enjoyed Goa so much.
You've been very often?
Not my life.
No.
4 times. But I didn't I never explored the beach side of Goa.
You
So I
should.
think maybe that's why.
You
But the
should.
food, I like Goa for food.
I know.
Tasty. Seafood
साथ
is
में
really
चलते हैं. Let's just all of us go. Go for 3-4 days and come back. Chill and come back.
चलो, चलो.
बीच बीच
I
पे
will.
जाते हैं. Campfire
I
करते
will.
हैं. Campfire I don't know करते कि नहीं but then yeah, let's go.
Campfire वो यहाँ नहीं कर पाएंगे. But there are proper places for camping and trekking and all of that.
I've never done.
Or Jim Corbett is also a nice option. Just in case. Jim
Let's
Corbett would be
go.
something different.
Yeah. Makes sense. Let's try that.
यार दिल्ली बहुत दूर है. अभी plans मत बनाओ.
दिल्ली नहीं अभी गोवा का ही पहले खत्म करते हैं.
हाँ.
उसके बाद दूसरा सोचते हैं. सो दृष्टि क्या
नायरा
लिया है तुमने शो से अपने लाइफ में?
काफी सारे valuable friends. I've taken a lot of life lessons. I've taken a lot of lessons on my acting skills, and I've got the right mentors and the right people. I have gotten a little bit sense of what is right and what is wrong, and what is smart and wise. So yeah, I've learned quite much from
Anything in
Dristy.
particular you've learned from people? Particular things from different people?
Particular, I have learned to be more wise. I have
From any particular person?
Advik,
Huh.
I have learned to be more optimistic from you.
Yeah.
I
Thank you.
have learned to be more disciplined,
You always were.
and thank you. But little, there's always room for improvement.
Yeah. I was
Yeah.
telling the other day that there has been times where I used to mentally give up because of the stressful schedule. But I've always seen you wake up and just go to the set, even if it's a
Yeah.
5 minute. You have always done that, and I'm like, oh my God, this girl's got some dedication. Seriously, guys, I've not seen so much dedication in any actor in my entire career. This one's like that. I always used to think that I'm like that, but she's 2 steps ahead of me. Any day,
Thank
anytime.
you.
And that's the best quality I have taken from
But I
you.
really enjoyed shooting for Divinity. When you enjoy your work, when you love doing something, I think it automatically comes within.
Yeah.
Yeah, there were times where I was so tired, so exhausted. But this is one good thing about discipline, that once you follow the discipline, it will grow over you. Even at
Oh.
times where you do not want to get out of the bed, or there were times where I just wanted to like snooze the alarm or get a little late. But I always thought, itna din up kiya hai, so, you should like just try to maintain it. I really want to make it a quality. This should be one of the qualities that I have. So, yeah.
Discipline is indeed the best quality any actor should be having because that shows respect towards the makers.
Yes.
And I have different experiences, so I've worked differently. But this one quality of yours, I have tried to imbibe in me. You know?
Nice. I will decide whether you're imbibing it well or not. After quarantine, I'll give you a time. If you don't reach on time, Naira, late
No, but
comer.
I have changed. I have changed. I do come on time. You know why? Because I have set my
Where are you coming on time? You're coming on time on live.
at least I started that.
It's good to start with. I'll
Yeah.
I'll test what you've learned after the quarantine.
No, I will desperately come on time because I really want to. Okay, even though I'm enjoying the space, but I do want to jump on a set after my mini vacation. I miss
Yeah,
working that way.
even I want to start making. But
Yeah,
inshallah, sooner or later, we all will start working. For
yeah.
now, let's just hope that this entire thing gets over. This pandemic is over. Everybody is fine. Everybody is safe. और एक बार चीजें ठीक हो जाए फिर उसके बाद I think काम हम शुरू कर सकते हैं. I hope everybody gets back to their normal life, to the way your life was.
You know what? You have got some really beautiful books as gifts. Anything you've
Yes,
learned that you
yes.
want to share?
I have this book. I right now it's like I've kept it inside. It's called The Night Tales. So
Wow.
it's a fairy tale. It's basically a book about magic, and there are 9 different stories and really beautiful. You also wanted that book,
I think I saw it and I said that even I want to
yeah?
read.
Yes, it has pictures also on it.
Wow.
Nice, interesting book. I've
I'll
read
read it
that, and
once
I'm
you're done.
reading a book called Ambitious.
Ambitious. Okay. What is that? It's a journey of a person? Do you
No, it's
recommend that?
basically about a girl who tells her personal, who is sharing her personal experience about how you should be, or how your work ethics should be, how other people treat you, and how you should take their. I mean, there are a lot of things. Like I've just started, but
Okay.
I think once I get done with GOT, I'll read little
Okay.
more.
There's some hardcore request of you to be active on social media because that's the only way people are getting to see you. So work
How
on
do I
that.
like like
Just
go
keep
live?
coming. Go live, post a picture, post stories, apart from your memes that you of course do. I mean, show your face. I love your memes. That's a any night, any time. Okay, Sana, what do you send me?
Entertaining.
And we follow
Okay.
almost the same pages. Wait, let me
Yeah.
check some questions. There's some 96 questions. Oh my God. Okay, let me check. Um, Sana, your
Nimish is
favorite.
saying you both come to Delhi. Yes, Nimish. Sure.
What's your favorite color, Sana?
I
Black.
like wearing anything and everything that suits me. White,
Oh,
black, gray, pink, red, whatever. But I
I
really like white and gray. Sorry, white and black.
I've seen you a lot in black.
Yeah.
Please sing a song, Sana and Naira Di. Oh my God.
क्या कान अपने खराब करने हैं अभी?
Oh my God. Take me with you to Maldives. Arre baap re.
हाँ, जरूर.
Which college were you in?
I was in MMK.
Okay. You both have very nice noses. Thank you.
Thank you.
Sana, you got a guy nose. We both got good noses. Okay. Let's see something interesting. Mm, have you ever come to Dehradun?
You? I have never.
No,
No,
I've never
me neither.
been. Same here. Okay. Do you have any problems facing in lockdown?
Yeah, I wanted to get a new mattress. That is not happening. I wanted to get a waffle maker. That is not happening. I wanted to replace my Wi-Fi, internet Wi-Fi. That is not going to happen.
Damn it.
Yeah, we had to shift our house this month, but that is not going to happen. So yeah, there are a lot of small inconveniences, but I'm really glad that right now we have a roof. We
Okay.
have shelter, we have food to survive. So, yeah, I think I'll just be grateful about that rather than complaining about what I don't have.
Okay. What's a future role you would like to play?
Me?
Yeah.
I don't know. I think I can play a good undercover agent.
Woo! I've been wanting to play something in uniform, maybe lawyer or a doctor or whatever, naval officer. Okay. Somebody's asking, Bish Akka 21 is asking your journey in Splitsvilla. In Splitsvilla.
Everybody has seen my journey in Switzerland. It has been great. That was the first time I faced camera, and I learned a lot of things, like how it is in front of the camera. Then there's a process called editing, and I think after Splitsvilla, I understood what is the difference between um what they show and what happens behind the camera. Like, there's a lot that they shoot and they edit, and then they put the um I mean, after editing, they put the show on air. So, that was the first time I understood how TV works.
Wow.
And my journey was fine. It was good.
And you looked very cute that time.
Yeah, I was like really healthy,
Yeah.
chubby.
What
I
was
think that was
the
the health.
healthiest I've seen? Yeah.
Yeah.
True. Okay. Sana Sayed, my love, asked, which is the yummiest food we both ate together?
Together, you remember,
Yeah.
uh, Jai Jawan, that prawns was really nice.
Where you were locked on. You were locked.
I would, okay.
Sana was locked in a bathroom,
I was not locked. Actually, I had to push and I was pulling.
pulling it.
And yeah, and I was knocking it, and I told Karan that, just open the door, and he just pushed it.
He had put up a story a month ago, I think,
Yeah,
regarding that.
yes,
Yeah,
yes.
even I had seen that. Okay. Which is the most annoying thing for you?
About, I
Anything,
get
any
annoyed at
person,
many things.
like the most annoying?
Um, Lying and acting brand new. I don't like people who, act very brand new and then, anyway.
Yeah. Yeah.
And I think what is annoying? My internet is annoying.
Right now, that, even mine.
My
Okay.
internet speed is annoying.
Okay, what's the best thing you like about me?
About you? You're very optimistic. Very optimistic. Even if you tell Naira na kya kar diya hai, she will take it as a compliment. I really like that about Naira. And Naira, you have a lot of patience. Like, I think you are the only person who does not have an action, like a reaction to an action. I have like seen we've had like, I have seen where, sometimes even if someone says something to Naira or does something that she might not like, she will never react. She'll just like, pretend like this didn't happen only. She'll just smile and she'll take it very nicely, very gracefully, and she'll move on and she'll never even remove the topic. I think this is what
But
I
that has
really like
always
about you.
worked against me. Always.
No, ah,
Always worked
no,
against
but
me.
this attitude is, it's a good attitude to deal with everybody. Generally, लोगों
Yeah.
के साथ ऐसे ही व्यवहार करना चाहिए.
Huh. When people matter, you don't want to create. Or
हाँ,
maybe in a nicer way,
correct,
you portray what you want to say.
right.
Okay, let's go to next question. Who is your
Meera
favorite
says,
person?
Sana Sayyed fan club represents. Shut up, Meera.
What? Mira's your friend?
Yes,
Okay. Okay, your next question is who's your favorite person?
Meera, I will dance when this quarantine gets over. I'll come to your house and we'll dance.
I'll also come.
Yeah.
Is Mira your favorite person?
Meera?
Is
What?
she your favorite person?
Yes, she's a close friend and she's very talented.
Ooh.
Yes.
Okay. What is your biggest prank on somebody?
I don't remember. I'm not good at pranks.
You're like me. Okay, somebody asked me, Vanshika asked me, do you talk to Mishkat?
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah, I messaged him once. He did not reply only.
चलो
But
उसको
it's okay.
मारते पकड़ के.
Nee, yaar, it's okay. I understand.
Yeah. Okay, then there is a question for you. Which is the favorite scene of both of us together and Didi you really liked?
There are so many scenes, so many
Many
scenes. I
actually.
really liked the scene where, in season one, where you get to know that your husband is a monkey man, and then you have that breakdown scene. I think that was a nice scene. Then the
The
scene,
Damru one.
holy scene, where we realize we're sisters. That is really nice. Then there are a lot of scenes, yeah. I
You know,
have
I like,
enjoyed almost all the scenes.
and I
Our
also
scenes
like
were
the
fun.
one where I jumped into the hell and you came after me.
Oh, the
Your
pool
that
scene.
scene. Oh my God, you were
It just
so good in
happened
it.
very quickly. We all decided that, this cannot be done again and again. Let's just finish it off at
Let's
once.
just give the best and finish it off. You were really good in that. I had tears. And also,
Thank
where in
you.
one swimming pool scene, you were getting pulled. Pisachni was trying to pull you, and you were crying for your mother and your sister. You were thinking about it.
Yeah, yeah, yes.
That
That
was
was start के episode में. My first encounter with Pishati.
very good. I still remember it, like, the way you portrayed your emotions. Please
Thank
say
you.
Yuvraj. Please say Yuvraj is your brother.
Huh?
Who is Yuvraj?
Your brother.
Yeah, somebody said Yuvraj is Yuvraj your brother. Please say Yuvraj is your brother. Okay. Little Miss Sparkle asked, "Do you talk to Karan?" She already
Tell me.
answered. She already does. Yeah.
No, the question's for you.
No for you.
Acha. What's for you?
So my no, no, it's not for me.
Okay.
Okay, wait. Next question. What's your
Next
favorite
question.
food?
Asian. I love eating Asian food. I love
Sushi,
eating
sushi,
Asian food.
sushi,
Sushi.
sushi, sushi. Let's go sushi.
Yes.
Okay, Nimish is asking, do you miss Nimish?
No, Nimish.
Break his heart. Break it into pieces. Damn it.
No.
Okay. Okay.
Jab
आपको हमेशा
Jawan. Job Jawan is all. Acha, Jai Jawan is awesome. Nimish.
या
His typos is Jab Jawan is awesome. I was like, किसकी बात कर रहा है?
आपको हमेशा अपने फैंस के लिए कूल रहना पड़ता है तो आप अपने इमोशंस को कैसे मैनेज करती हो
बताओ.
मैं स्माइल
बोलो
करती हूँ
बोलो।
यार, मैं हमेशा से
मैंने
स्माइल
अभी
करती हूँ।
बताया नायरा क्या करती है।
बट asked about you.
अच्छा, मैं आजकल बहुत कोशिश कर रही हूँ कि मतलब अगर मुझे किसी कोई चीज बाय मीरा सी हूँ, मतलब आई एम ट्राइंग कि अगर मुझे कभी गुस्सा आ जाए या कोई चीज से मैं अग्री नहीं करूँ या मुझे कोई चीज बुरी लग जाए, तो मैं कोशिश करती हूँ कि मैं फनी रिप्लाई देकर उस बात को टाल दूँ। बट मैं चाहती हूँ कि मैं भी नायरा की तरह इग्नोर करना सीखूं।
That's the best thing. I don't
या
ignore, I evade it. रहता है दिल में, बाद में निकालती हूँ जब जरूरत होती है. So, do you have a boyfriend? Is somebody asking about you?
नो,
हमारा क्या होगा सना?
होगा यार, कुछ तो होगा, कुछ तो लिखा ही होगा।
कोई तो लिखा ही होगा for sure.
हाँ,
Okay. Which time do you both was imbalance? Huh? Which time you both was imbalance? ये क्या है? Did
मतलब
you
जैसे हमारे बीच में कभी झगड़ा हुआ होगा या कुछ, ऐसा
अच्छा,
पूछने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। इम्बैलेंस
शायद
क्या
से
हो सकता है? अगर ऐसे है तो हमारे बीच कभी झगड़े तो हुए नहीं है।
कभी भी
और
नहीं.
एक आध बार अगर मुझे कहीं लगा होगा कि काम को लेकर सिर्फ
हम्म.
कि शायद ये ऐसे नहीं होना चाहिए या मुझे इनकन्वीनियंस हो रहा है या नायरा को इनकन्वीनियंस हो रहा है, तो हमने हमेशा एक दूसरे से बात करके बोल दिया है वो। एंड वी डोंट फील बैड अबाउट इट, वी नेवर फेल्ट।
We actually always discussed कि I'm gonna play like this, you're gonna play like this. Is there anything you want to add? Is there anything I want to add?
बट
We've
अपार्ट
always
फ्रॉम
made it
वर्क
work.
हम कभी
No,
नेवर नेवर
कभी
वी
भी नहीं.
नेवर डिसअग्रीड।
You know what? The point is we understand each other's mind so well that we know when to talk, when to stop, and what not to touch. I
शताब्दी
feel.
बैनर्जी, आई रियली लाइक योर नेम, शताब्दी।
Yeah.
शताब्दी, नाइस
So
नेम।
that's one thing I really like. So and dono mal. Mohit out.
कौन?
Some Mohit. दोनों माल.
माल।
बहुत माल दिख रहे तुम लोग को. अच्छा, names really Nai always spoke about Sana's dedication. Yeah.
व्हाट निम्स?
Nims is saying that Naira did not. Okay, along with discipline, Sana has very beautiful smile. Nims is writing for you.
थैंक यू निवेश। यार तू इतना स्वीट बनेगा तो अभी तो दिल्ली आके तुझे मिलना ही पड़ेगा।
चल जाके आते हैं.
या आई
लेकिन
डोंट
दिल्ली
माइंड
बहुत.
एक्चुअली, यू नो सम ऑफ माय फ्रेंड्स आर इन दिल्ली
हाँ.
एंड बट मुझे पता है जैसे क्वारंटाइन खत्म होगा वो बॉम्बे आ जाएंगे तो हम दिल्ली जाके ठीक है जा ही सकते हैं। हाउ वुड नो, why no reply to me? Because Nimish, I cannot see your questions. Your questions only Naira can see
Yeah.
or
No,
comment on.
it's coming on the comment section, which even you can see.
This is India. Please respect your language. You're right.
What happened?
थोड़ा हिंदी में भी बात कर लेते हैं। सॉरी, हम जनरली ऐसे ही एक दूसरे से बात करते हैं तो इसीलिए फ्लो फ्लो में ऐसे, ताकि इट्स नॉट लाइक वी डोंट रिस्पेक्ट आवर लैंग्वेज और आवर कंट्री। ये हमें बहुत अच्छे से पता है कि हम भारतीय हैं और हमारी मातृभाषा हिंदी है और हमें हिंदी
और हम
बोलना भी
हिंदी में
बहुत
ही
अच्छे
काम
से
कर.
आता है। थैंक यू।
Yeah. Okay.
बट ये लाइव सेशन है तो इसमें लोग ज्यादातर जैसे एक दूसरे से नॉर्मली बात करते हैं, हमने सोचा हम वैसे ही बात करेंगे। बट ओके, यू आर राइट, वी लेट्स टॉक।
I think we should be the way we are क्योंकि इंग्लिश वैसे भी इंटरनेशनल लैंग्वेज है और हमारी फर्स्ट लैंग्वेज भी हम लोग वही सीखते हैं. हिंदी नेशनल लैंग्वेज है जो हमें बात करनी आती है. सो इट्स रिस्पेक्ट ऑफ बोथ. वी स्पीक बोथ द लैंग्वेजेस. एनीवे, Sada, tell me one
सना
thing.
बड़ी हो गई, शुक्र है। सगल,
तुझे मेरे से प्यार कैसे हुआ?
मुझे तेरे से प्यार कैसे हुआ? जब तूने अपना वो पहले बार जो घर से सूप बना के लाया था ना, बस तभी तूने मेरा दिल ले लिया था।
तुझे मुझे you know what
कभी
guys,
नहीं,
मैं
जिंदगी में कभी वो
लिसन उसी की वजह से मेरा फिगर बना हुआ रहता था. I maintained for quite a long time. All thanks to that soup.
You don't need to maintain. You sometimes, I don't know. Zabardasti, I need to maintain. You are maintained, very well maintained. Nothing you eating junk food. मैंने तुमको कचरा खाते हुए भी देखा है, but you don't put on weight यार. तुम्हारा जरा भी वेट नहीं बढ़ता है. ऐसे तुम्हें बस हमारा दिमाग में चल रहा होता है कि अरे ऐसे हो रहा है वैसे हो रहा है.
Yeah, I
बट
mean, I
वो
just
सूप तो मैं
observed.
हमेशा याद रखूंगी नायरा.
तुझे मैं पिलाऊंगी. Okay, somebody is asking you to come to. Okay, who is your inspiration, Sana?
बहुत सारे हैं.
सबसे बेहतर, सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट कौन है?
जिन्हें देख के मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि काम करना चाहिए तो ऐसे करना चाहिए.
एंड क्या तू नागिन बनेगी अगर ऑफर मिला तो?
हाँ मिल जाएगी.
ओके. एक और क्वेश्चन किसी ने पूछा है, तुम शादी कब कर रही हो बबुआ?
बताओ नायरा कब करोगी तुम शादी.
एक ही मंडप सेटअप करते हैं, दोनों ढूंढते हैं और कर लेते हैं चुपचाप.
ये भी कर सकते हैं. मुझे तो कोर्ट
ढूंढ
मैरिज
तो
करनी
सही, पहले ढूंढ तो सही कोई
है.
मेरे लिए.
हाँ
मैं
ढूंढते
तेरे
हैं.
लिए मैं तेरे लिए ढूंढती हूँ, तू मेरे लिए ढूंढ.
यार मेरे लिए तो छोड़ ही दे अभी. अपने आप ही हो जाएगा.
ओके, लेट मी सी सम मोर. और दो तीन क्वेश्चंस देख के अपन
जस्ट लॉगिंग आवरसेल्व्स वर्क फ्रॉम होम. या और मुझे उन लोगों के लिए सच में बहुत बुरा लग रहा है जो वर्क फ्रॉम होम एक्चुअली कर रहे हैं. मेरे काफी सारे दोस्त हैं जिनका काम बढ़ गया है घर पे बैठे बैठे. चुप कर सगल. सॉरी. तो या आई होप you guys are enjoying working from home.
या. Oh my God, I'm getting such weird questions right now. I can't even read them out.
मिस्टर शेगिल को लाइव लाओ. मिस्टर शेरगिल.
कौन से वाले शेरगिल को लाइव लाओ?
मिस्टर शेरगिल को.
Wait, अच्छा, योर मिस्टर शेरगिल. हमारा पूरा खानदानी शेरगिल है.
सब इसे
अजय,
शेयर.
हम लोग 3 जन को नहीं ला सकते ना?
आई डोंट नो यार. दैट डे वी ट्राइड पर ऐसे कुछ हुआ नहीं. मतलब मैं वरुण और अद्विक जाने वाली थी लाइव बट ऐसे हुआ नहीं. सागर चावला आई लेफ्ट. यू लेफ्ट. रीच
Why did you
लोनावला
leave?
आल्सो.
Reached Lonavala also. How the hell did he go to Lonavala?
He was living in Lonavala with his parents. I mean with his family, his father and बीवी and all. तो उनका कुछ तो वो पुणे से लोनावला आया.
Okay.
और बता यार नायरा.
कुछ नहीं रे अभी. मैं अभी कुछ वीडियोस बनाऊंगी बैठ के. आज सुबह से मैं बस लेटी थी. I was not feeling like doing anything. Just one of those low days. But otherwise I've been very busy, yeah. Doing something or the
Like
other. वो साफ सफाई तो कर ही रही हूँ. Plus I'm making videos on social issues. You saw my पुलिस
yeah.
वाला वीडियो?
पुलिस वाला वीडियो.
हाँ.
नहीं.
It's there on my IGTV. So I made that. और अभी दूसरा भी कुछ कुछ बना रही हूँ. किसके कमेंट देख के स्माइल कर रही है?
I am just smiling at the comments that Nimisha, Meera, Sagar, Sagal, all these guys are commenting. अपने दोस्तों के कमेंट सुनकर हंसी फुटती है ना इसलिए.
निम्स का तो नॉन स्टॉप आ रहा है. नॉन स्टॉप ही इज राइटिंग समथिंग. हम दोनों को बिग बॉस में होना चाहिए. ओके.
अच्छा.
तुझे पता है मेरे ऊपर अफवाह फैली थी कि मैं डीडी छोड़ रही हूँ बिग बॉस के लिए. You remember?
रूमर्स तो किसी भी चीज की होती है.
अच्छा, जब क्वारंटाइन खत्म होगा तू मेरे लिए क्या बनाएगी?
मैं जो तू बोल दाल मखनी बनाऊंगी. आई रियली मेक नाइस दाल मखनी. ये खत्म होगा तो फिर बहुत सारा काम भी होगा यार करने के लिए घर पे. यू कैन
You
ऑल्सो
तो
लाइक
have
कम
your shift.
ओवर एंड हेल्प मी.
Yeah.
हाँ तो यू
I
हेल्प
anyways
मी.
decided to help you in shifting and I mean so cute. My one of my pillows at Advik's place.
हाय हाय,
बोल रहा था मंकी मैन।
क्या बोल रहा था,
निमिष,
मंकी मैन?
हाँ निमिष ने मंकी मैन लॉल लिखा है। आई डोंट नो व्हाई।
आई थिंक वो पुराना, हम जब बात कर रहे थे तभी का कमेंट होगा, जब मैंने बोला
हाँ,
था अबाउट दैट सीन।
या सना, आर यू इन कांटेक्ट विद
अद्विक से,
उत्कर्ष?
हाँ हाँ हाँ।
अद्विक इज हियर।
नहीं, हाँ, अद्विक इज हियर।
ए अद्दू, डैडी, कहाँ है
अद्भु,
तू? अद्दू। Okay, Sana, what's the pet name you've kept for me?
फॉर
For me, what
नाइट
is the?
आई कॉल her भोली बंगालन. It's not a
I
pet name, but what are you guys talking about? Advik is asking.
we are
Question
talking,
answer.
yeah, just general stuff. हम लोग लाइव बहुत टाइम से नहीं आए हैं, ऊपर से फैंस के कमेंट्स पढ़ रहे हैं, उनके
बहुत
क्वेश्चंस
टाइम
आंसर
से
कर रहे हैं.
मैं,
I swear. Yeah, this is our second or third live together, no? No, not live. That was our
this
normal
is my
video.
second live. हाँ, हमने नॉर्मल व्हाट्सएप पे बात की थी.
हाँ, लाइव हम लोग शायद फर्स्ट टाइम ही आए हैं आफ्टर डीडी.
आज बहुत तैयार हुई है सना. कहाँ से मैं तुझे तैयार दिख रहा, देख चुप कर.
अद्वैत यार, आजा तू भी लाइव हमारे साथ अगर पॉसिबल है तो. सेंड मी अ रिक्वेस्ट, ट्राई इट.
हाँ,
वाओ, नो रिप्लाई टू यू. शट अप निमिश. हु इज द मोस्ट शरारती पर्सन इन दिव्या दृष्टि?
सभी है, सबने बड़ी मस्तियां की है.
सबसे बदमाश कौन है लेकिन?
सबसे बदमाश पता नहीं.
ओके
तू बता.
गाइस, मुझे तो लगता है
समझा मैं. क्या? व्हाट डू
पता नहीं
यू
सबसे
थिंक?
बदमाश. आई डोंट नो. वी ऑल वर वेरी नॉटी वंस अपॉन अ टाइम. उसके बाद हम थोड़े बड़े हो
सॉरी.
गए,
हाँ.
है ना. इनिशियल डेज में हम चारों ही बहुत नॉटी थे.
हम तो
when
एंड एंड तक मस्तियां करते थे और डांटते भी.
yeah.
You guys ignoring me. Of course, how can we ignore you, Advait? You know, I'm
Adhu,
gonna bounce back to Lonavala. I'm gonna chill and have a ball now. Okay,
what?
Sagar, I hope you enjoy with your family. Crystal and Shadows, Minnie is here. Only two people can do live. Thank you, Minnie.
Oh, okay. Sana, have you ever
Hmm.
gone to Kolkata?
नहीं, never.
Okay. सना दी, अद्विक सर एंड करण सर में सबसे ज्यादा किसने परेशान किया है नायरा दी को?
Karan, obviously.
हम इक्वली करता था हम लोगों. ओके.
अद्वैत कह
दाही.
रहा है अपनी प्राइवेट गॉसिप पर्सनल चैट पे करो. मेरे लिए कभी नहीं बनाया दाल. ऑफ कोर्स आंटी, तेरे लिए दाल चिकन सब बनाऊंगी यार. ये क्वारंटाइन खत्म होने दे.
निमिष इज आस्किंग सना, हाउ डू यू
आई एम
डील विद
सरप्राइज्ड
एंगर?
ऑल माय फ्रेंड्स. हाउ डू, सॉरी, हाउ डू आई
योर
डील
फोन
विद
फेल डाउन.
एंगर? या,
या.
आई आई डोंट नो. आई एम वेरी ऑनेस्ट पर्सन. अगर मुझे कोई चीज बुरी लगती है तो मैं बोल देती हूँ जो भी है मेरे दिमाग में जा रहा है. बट वो सही तरीका भी नहीं है डील करने का गुस्से से. मैंने बताया
या.
ना, मुझे नायरा की तरह डील करना है.
ओके, व्हाट्स योर स्कैरियस्ट थिंग? व्हाट इज द थिंग दैट स्कैर्स यू द मोस्ट?
That scares me the most. Changes.
फियर ऑफ
Change.
चेंज.
Change scares me. Height scares me. Speed scares me.
डू यू गेट स्कैर्ड ऑफ पीपल?
Sometimes.
I think you can deal with anybody, honestly. You have that in you.
Yeah? You think so?
Because you know what? I believe you observe and you gauge the energy. You've always been neutral. It's just that you reciprocate the way a person is towards you. है ना? So
Yes.
you can deal. So I know that you can deal with any situation, any problem. You know how to do it. That way you're very matured deep inside.
Hi, Bhavini.
Okay.
Love you
Uh,
too.
who's your latest crush?
Me?
Yeah.
You know, if I had to be so vocal about it, I would have like just messaged it. Yeah. But I
Who?
don't like have
You
a
don't have a
crush.
crush.
I
Oh my
had
God.
long back,
Huh.
but that crush crashed.
Oops. Okay, what is something you guys like about you both relationship? Okay, what do we like the most about our relationship?
Our relationship.
Yeah.
शुरू करो.
मुझे लगता है हमारा mindset and transparency. That is first. Then you get my jokes, you get my humor, and that's the reason we get along on the same page. Second, and thirdly, I love your nature. What about you?
I मुझे एक तो नायरा का सबसे बेस्ट क्वालिटी लगता है कि हमेशा हंसती रहती है. अच्छा बोलो, बुरा बोलो, गुस्सा कर लो, हंसती रहती है. दिस इज वन थिंग आई रियली लाइक अबाउट हर. बहुत ही ऑप्टिमिस्टिक है नायरा. और
हाँ.
हमारा जो लेवल का अंडरस्टैंडिंग है, आई थिंक वो मुझे बहुत कंफर्टेबल फील कराता है. आई कैन टेल हर एनीथिंग
Yeah.
एंड शी
And
कैन
same
हेल्प मी
with me.
गेट अवे विद इट.
Yeah, because I get your point, because I just know it. There are so many incidents there where we have spoken the same thing together. We have cracked the
हाय
same joke
भाविनी,
together
लव यू टू.
so many times.
या
है ना?
हमने इतनी जोक्स क्रैक की है और इतनी सारे इनसाइड जोक्स है हमारे जो लोगों को पता भी नहीं होगा.
पता नहीं चले तो अच्छा है.
हाँ.
मॉरिशस जाने का कोई प्लान है?
यार ऐसे सवाल मत पूछो अभी. मैं आई डोंट थिंक ये साल तो बाहर जाएंगे और अगले साल भी. आई डोंट नो. अभी तो कुछ सिर्फ इंडिया में घूमने का प्लान है.
Yeah. Okay. Do you think that you two look like real sisters?
या लॉट ऑफ पीपल से दैट हम में काफी रिजेम्बलेंस है.
हाँ. In fact,
तो
when I see your pictures, one glance I feel it's me. कितने बार ऐसा हुआ है? एक glance I'm like, ये मैं हूँ. Okay, this is Sana.
लोग
So
मुझे
many times.
ऐसे ही पारुल के लिए भी कहते हैं और इशनीत के लिए भी कहते हैं.
हाँ.
पारुल नॉट आ पारुल.
Not our Parul. Your
Other friend, yeah.
Advik is asking, what are you guys talking about? अरे बाबा हम लोग
उसने नीचे एक और चीज लिखी है. कहता है अपनी पर्सनल गॉसिप, अपनी आपस की गॉसिप प्राइवेट चैट पे करो.
अच्छा अद्विक तू हमें क्वेश्चंस पूछ. लेट्स सी.
नहीं नहीं, अद्विक नहीं पूछ सकता. मुझे अद्विक के सवाल के जवाब नहीं देने.
खतरनाक सवाल पूछेगा.
हाँ. सना, व्हाट्स योर फेवरेट मूवी एंड सॉन्ग? मेरी फेवरेट मूवी तो ऑल ओल्ड मूवीज लाइक कुछ कुछ होता है, हम साथ साथ है. आई रियली लव वॉचिंग हम साथ साथ है, कभी खुशी कभी गम. और सॉन्ग तो आई मुझे हर तरह के गाने अच्छे लगते हैं. तो कोई फेवरेट सॉन्ग नहीं है मेरा.
There is one fan who sees your photo every day before he goes to sleep. You get him good dreams. That's a
Really?
level of love, dude.
Wow.
That's
Thank
very
you so
nice.
much. Really
Yeah.
appreciate it. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, guys. Anyone? Okay, would you like to marry a Bengali guy? Is this for me or for you?
I think it's for you.
Doesn't matter. Whoever.
मुझे
अच्छा
मैटर नहीं करता. हाँ, मुझे
अच्छा
पता है.
इंसान हो, लड़कियों की रेस्पेक्ट करे, समझे, काफी है. खुद रहे, दूसरी को भी रहने दे. Chill.
Live
Okay.
and let live.
Yeah, live and let live. As long as the person is like that, I don't have any issue. Okay, Sana, what's the meaning of your
Yes,
name?
I can see whatever you're typing. Avi Shah. What is the meaning of my name?
Yeah.
यही सेम सवाल किसी ने मुझे कल पूछा. लाइक समवन आई नो कि सना का मतलब क्या है.